Fangkuai Group was established in 1998 with a registered capital over $17 million. So far, Fangkuai has grown into a boiler giant with a total boiler capacity of 20,000 tons. Fangkuai has both Grade A boiler production qualification and first-class boiler installation qualification. Besides, we have passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001, which indicates that we really care about quality management, environment protection, and staff welfare. With 2 manufacturing bases, totaling 120,000 square meters workshop, we are one of the few boiler manufacturers who have digital production capacity in China. We also possess a 6,000 square meter national level boiler laboratory, which can simulate all kinds of working conditions. More than 60 patented technologies are coming out from here. Our boiler production process is entirely controlled by the ERP system. From material selection to delivery, the whole process only takes 30 days. Such efficiency depends on accurate factory management and advanced production equipment. From the moment customer placed an order, the customer's boiler parameter standard will accompany the entire production process. ERP system will automatically send the production plan to each production station, from Sigma Nest material selection to energy efficiency test. Digital production requires advanced production equipment, comprehensive laser cutting machine, 360 degrees robot welding machine, membrane wall production line, automatic submerged arc welding machine. All these equipment are imported from Germany, Japan, and the United States. We also invented our own corrugated furnace processing machine and supergiant rotary. Digital production requires strict tests. Each production station is equipped with testing device, electromagnetic yoke flaw detector, ultrasonic thickness gauge, ultrasonic fault detector, 50 times magnificent projector, combustion efficiency tester. These detection devices are supervisors who can guarantee our manufacturing standards. China's equipment manufacturing industry has entered the intelligent production age. The traditional mode of production will be eliminated. Fangkuai has started a revolution in boiler industry, and we clearly know the revolution will continue and never stop. Ahead is a brighter future.